Hey guys, welcome back to another awesome episode of Technology Know Your Stuff. I'm your host Oscar, and today I want to let you guys know that the reason I've been away has been because of school and work. Um, Obviously, the semester's over now, and work has slowed down a lot more. So now I can spend time making videos for you guys, and I would like to thank all my subscribers for sticking there in there and hanging in there, as a matter of fact, and supporting me on my channel here. So thank you very much, guys. I love you guys a lot for supporting me and my videos. And don't forget to in the comments below to put a topic that you guys want me to cover. Pretty soon I'm going to be making videos on Mac OS X and Windows 10, so stick around for that, or as they like to say, stay tuned. Okay, so today we're going to cover a topic that I think is very important for a lot of users that are new to Linux, and this works for all kinds of flavors of Linux. Obviously, the one I'm doing today is for Ubuntu, which is a Debian based. So in Arch there are other commands, but typically these work across the line for all Debian based distros, flavors. So you got Lubuntu, Ubuntu, Kubuntu, Debian, and so on, and the different spin-offs that people make for their version of Linux, which is Debian based. So I am going to show you today's topics. We're going to cover unpacking a zip file, a RAR file, a 7-zip file, 7z file, and then a tar file. And in the process of this, after that, I'm going to show you how to install Wine, because I want to use the program called Notepad++. I program, so it's a nice way to debug the program that you are writing, because everything is color coded, or if you have your own IDE as well, such as Eclipse. But here for Linux they have a version of Eclipse. It's old, but it's a functional one. Or if you want to use IDE for Python, if you're a Python programmer. So any Windows program could be used with Wine. And also there's another one called which I like, is Play with Linux, which I probably did that in my other videos. Play on Linux, Play with Linux. I'll see which one it is. I think it's on. Let me check that real quick for you guys. Play, and you can find it here in the Ubuntu software. I think it's Linux. Play on Linux. Yeah, it's I'm pretty sure it's Play on Linux. One of my other videos I have, it says I'm pretty sure it's Play on Linux here. I want to find this out for you guys. I think it's Play on Linux. Yes, Play on Linux. Here it is. So to find it here on Linux, give it a second here. That's what it is. No fine. You no fine? Why you no fine? You don't like? That's fine. So gonna download that and distros. Alright, so I guess we're gonna start this way. For Play on Linux, which is similar to Wine. See, it's a Debian based. Let's see what it says. All distros. See, it's a tar file, which I like. You got Debian, Ubuntu. Perfect. That's the one we want. Now, you just follow these instructions, and from here, I have a touch screen. From here, as you can see, you'll be able to install the this. So why don't we do that? Let's start with that. That sounds like a lot of fun. Okay, so I'm going to copy this. So play on Linux. Linux is going to be the first one I'm going to show you how to install. Just wanted to put it in the topics above there. So we're going to do this first. Control copy. I like to paste one shot. I'm going to put my password. Make sure you remember your password. And it worked. There you go. So the next one we're going to do is going to do this. Control copy. Paste. And we press enter. And it's done. We're going to do a nice little update so we can update our libraries. We're going to do this. It's going to take like a microsecond. Go here, control copy. Excellent. And then we're going to paste this here. Okay. Take that here. And you press yes, because that's what I want. I want to install play on Linux. Alright. After I install this, we're going to install Wine as well. Now the reason why I'm installing Wine is for you guys to see this. So you just, I don't want to start the tutorial and you guys be like, how do you install Wine? Yes, you can go and find on YouTube or Google how to install Wine, but why not just kill two birds with one stone in this process here. So I'm gonna close this out because I don't need this. Move this here. Now I have my downloads here. 7-zip, a tar file, and a zip file. For RAR file, I will show you most likely that you can use 7-zip to as well do tar and zip, but I want to show you that you have options in case 7-zip doesn't work for you. So this is going to take, looks like it's going to take a while here, so let me get started with the other one here. Let me see here. Is that 52%? Okay. Now you're wondering which version of Ubuntu is this, because I have the this bar here at the bottom instead of being here on the left. I just realized that I did it. This is 16.04 LTS, long time support. If you guys want to see what that is, you just will go here, go to about this computer, and as you can see here, the name of my device, it's just home computer, and then you would go to here you can put your default applications underneath here. No, that's not the one, but that was the one. Help Ubuntu? Nah, it wouldn't be that. But I think I saw it there. I'm sorry. You might have been there here. Yes, 16.4 here. LTS, as you can see here. I was looking for where it said about. So, silly me. And the way you do it is, there's a couple ways of doing it. First one would be you would need to have the Ubuntu tweak tool, which once again I'll show you how to do this here. Utility, tweak tool, excuse me. Utility. Okay, gonna be utility. Tweak. Oh, util. Is it util? Unity. I'm sorry. That's Unity. My fault, guys. I'm getting back into the, how you spell that? I'm getting back into the swing of things. Unity. Okay, there you go. There you go. Here it is, and you just install it. So that's really it. I have it installed here. I don't know why it's saying install. I think it's being silly. Once you have this program installed here, what you do is you go here, get a launcher, and you can also do auto hide. So just go to the bottom, it comes up, and the sensitivity here, okay, right there. So I go all the way down with this and it pops up. I don't like auto hide. I like it visible for myself, like I do when I use Windows or the other one, the Mac. So it's here left, typically it's here, or bottom. There is no right, there's no top, unfortunately. It's only these two sides you could do that on. So another way of doing this is a program called dconf editor, which once again you can find here. I will show you. So it's dconf, there it is, and this editor lets you allows you to edit the launcher as well. You open this up, and I believe you would go to canonical, unity, and then from there launcher. So the order of it is canonical, conical, and then from there unity, and then from there it's going to be launcher. And you can edit this here, see, left and bottom. So there are two options. Okay, great. So here's what happens next. It's going to ask you to agree with the terms. If you press the right arrow on your keyboard, you'll get it on the OK, and you press OK, and you press left on it, you say yes because you agree, and then from there it's gonna go and install all those packages for you. So that's part of the process, but this is why I wanted to bring it up to you, because a lot of people I've known over time has had issues with that, because they don't know how to press enter. They press enter, then they don't install it. At one point I myself had issues with that, so I just want to bring that to your attention. Okay, so obviously I can't use the terminal to run these commands, so I'm gonna let this finish. When I come back, it's gonna be done, and we're gonna proceed in showing you how to remove unpackage these raw files, zip files, and tar files. Okay, all right, see you soon. Just hang in there 1 second. Hey guys, alright, so we're back, and Wine was installed and the installation was finished. To show you here that it's installed. Ooh, I like this. Well, one thing at a time. I'm sorry guys, one thing at a time here. Wine, alright, here it is, shows that it is installed. And play on Linux, which we also did install. Plex, that's not how you spell play. Here it is as well, and we'll what I want to do is drag it into my thing here. Cool. Okay, great. Now I'm going to download right now Notepad ++, which is one of the programs I use in Windows. There it is. ++. It's gonna download it. Yep. Save file. See, which is an exe file. All right. Great. No, I didn't give it a chance to download. There you go. Okay, I'm gonna close that out now. All right. So now I'm gonna right-click it on it and open it with Wine. Okay, here's what I did again. Went to the exe file, went here, opened it with this. Now this is where Wine should kick in, and you should be able to use this here. Let's give it a second here. Alright. So very excited to be back and making videos for you guys. This semester I ended up taking up a networking class for the CCNA, certifications. So I got part of like a little preview of what the actual test was going to be about to get the certification. So fun stuff. So this may take a minute or two. So in the meantime, let me get into multitasking here. Alright, so we're going to oh, there it is. Here's the installation. So we have to put this on hold. You go to here, next, I agree, yes, I like that. Okay, don't use, nope, allow the, nope, create shortcut on the desktop, yes, and install that. That's really all you need to do. Okay, I don't want to run this yet. Finish that up. Before finish this up, I want to see here. Here it is. So I want to put that in next to my leaf pad. Here. Okay, now finish this up here. Now that it's here, I'll run the program, and there's the program, just as we were running it on Windows. So I can just say include, which I should put like a £sign there. Include. Imagine I'm doing for Arduino DHT. Okay, then enter, or Python here. So you could program any way you want with this here. A for loop or an if statement. There you go, see? If A equals B, then print apples. Of course, that's how you spell apples, guys. And quote symbol. So you can see your code and so on in this program. See here. So, like once again, for programming purposes, and I just took a picture. For programming purposes. Alright, so that's how you install an exe. Move this to trash. Program, a Windows program on Linux using Wine. You can also most likely probably use it on Play on Linux. Alright, so let's get this started. So what I'm gonna do here is, since I'm gonna CD here and clear for you guys. Right. There you go. I'm going to change directory. That's what CD stands for. And then I'm gonna press the one I want to go to, downloads. There I am. ls means lists. It's gonna list whatever's in that directory, which we have here the same thing. As you can see, Cisco, the Arduino, and then the DHT. DHT is for a sensor that I have. Let me show you real quickly, so this way you guys can see. It's a temperature humidity sensor. Right there, that's what it really is. So, okay, and this is the libraries for it. So whenever you're using an Arduino, so and this is Arduino for this. So I want to take this and I want to extract it through terminal, which I like to use terminal. CLI, one of my favorite things. So what I would do is press tar and press XF, right? The name of the file here. Okay. Okay. Press enter. And watch here. Watch what happens here. It's right there. See that? I extracted it. Right there. Over here, when it's finished extracting whatever's in that folder, boom, right here. And I press clear. And right here. So now I have whatever I need in order to do this here. Double click this while I run it. Whenever it decides to work, I'm not gonna force it to work. Yeah, it doesn't want to work. Today, no, okay. And I extracted it. That was the main point of this here. What did I say? Cut? No, I don't want to cut that. That's fair. Okay, so we got that. That's how you extract this here. I'll put it out here so we don't get confused. Another one is the next one is a RAR file. Now you can use 7-zip for this, it's fine, but to do this you would have to install unrar. So I'm going to take this command here, copy it, paste it. Now keep in mind all this is going to be what do you call it, in the comments below, all these commands. So I'm going to cd back to the main directory. Okay, I'm going to now repaste that. And that was Control Shift V, Control Shift C is to copy it. So my password. Oop, I mistyped my password. There you go. Now it's installing this. Should take no more than a minute to install all that. And there we go. Boom. If you press up, you will see the last commands that you entered. Okay. So now, if I want to unpack all the files within the same directory, I will follow this command. You know, I wonder if I do this. Copy this, paste it here, put the name of the CCNA. Well, first we would have to CD back into the downloads. Right, here we go, and press unrar. And I got a new text message. Okay, and you put the name of it, which is CCNA 3 Cisco.rar. I can't find the directory, of course. Guess we have to put the full command here. Okay. Paste. Next one here, home and directory. Okay, here. Downloads / CCNA 3 Cisco.rar. Okay, still can't find it. Okay, so let me try one more attempt here because I know I can do this. Here we're gonna go here. Instead of having here, we're gonna go X. Sucker here, can't find rar. Let me change the name here. Perhaps that's what's causing its issue. We name this here to just where's the 3? There you go. Rename that, copy this, copy. And there we go. So what happened there was the spaces was affecting the name of the file, and as you can see here, If I take this, I don't know what the heck this is. Oh, this is gonna open to the website, to where the CCNA is, to the answers here. I don't know, I'll click one to see what's up with that. Okay, that's nice. Alright, so there you go. This was extracted here. So, I'm gonna make a nice little folder here outside. And we're gonna call this CCNA stuff. Okay. And we're gonna control A here. No, not here. Here, control A. Okay, let me see here. Yes. Yeah, here, click this, take this, put that in there. Put this here, and we're gonna take this and put this here. Alright, so as you can see, as I like to make in my videos, I don't like to rehearse anything. I like to make mistakes, because failing is one of the greatest teachers, as long as we don't make it a habit. And as you guys can see, I'll make mistakes, so this way you guys can see how I solve the error that or whatever I hit that I can't solve. So there you go. So next one, we're going to do the I'm gonna put this underneath here. E. There you go, just for you guys. So the notes are gonna be below in the comments below, description below, excuse me. So, all right, let's clear that. Boom. All right, and let's here we go. All right, so now we're going to do the zip file. Why not? We're going to do the zip file. Okay. Next, we're going to install the unzip. Okay, let that install. Alright, so I already have it. Fantastic. Alright, so let's extract it. So we're going to rename this. Psych. We're just going to copy your name, I promise. Okay, great. Here, we're going to go here. I'm going to type in the command unzip, and then the name of the file. And there it is. Here's the folder. Stuff in it. There's the libraries I would need in order to make this program work. So I'll go here, put that outside. Very good. Awesome. So far we've extracted this tar file, that's this, the CCNA stuff that came from this, the libraries that came from a zip file. Excuse me, I'm cleaning my screen right now. Okay, so now we got a .7z file. Now we're going to extract this here. We're gonna install this first. Okay, it's already there. Great. Okay, in case you don't have it, it's there. And let's do this here. So we're gonna go number 7 Z E, the name of the file, which we should have gotten a long time ago, like yesterday. Let's see if the spaces does make a difference for this here. Paste. Delete all this. There you go. Paste that. Yep, spaces does make a difference. Alright, so glad we did that. I'm just gonna name it. I'm gonna delete this. Okay, I'm going to leave this here and just delete the space here and delete the space there. And Control A, I'm going to copy that, press enter because I'm done editing. Alright, go here, repeat the process, except we've changed the name, so we're going to go here, Ah, we still didn't do that. Okay, 1 second, guys. Just bear with me. Here, we gotta delete the spaces. And I'm gonna delete the actual thing here, and yeah, that's fine. Okay, gonna go here, and we're going to delete all that except there. A broken token. What is problem? This is no good. I'm gonna rename this again, and I'm gonna delete 1, 2, 3. There you go. And there is a space. That's why. Silly old me. Okay. Once again, one more time. Just bear with me, folks. Please bear with me. Okay. Close that out. There you go. And I'm gonna delete this part here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. That should be fine. And there you go. Extracted. Here's the file you need. Here's some pictures. Whatever the file included will have this. So there. Create a new folder out here. I don't see it. Where'd it go? Oh no. Did I create a new file? Oh, there it is. Okay. What are you doing all the way over there, silly man? Rename this file. We're gonna name it stuff. And take this here, Control A, Control. Take this, put it in there, put that here, and put this here, and bam, there you go. Everything extracted. It's gonna show you guys this here. Alright, so I've extracted everything here for you guys. And I'm gonna go here, control, save this, and I will put the instructions about the spacing, so you know, not to fear. I'm gonna move this. I'm gonna move this to the trash. Boop. Uppity beepity boop. And it still works. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoy the video. I will be posting more videos now that the summer's coming and I have some free time. Thank you for your support throughout the time that I haven't posted videos. Please don't forget to subscribe for more awesome videos like this. You can absolutely, without a doubt, request any topic you like, or if you would like to see a video made for your for any future episodes, please let me know. Okay, guys, thank you so much. I love your support. I love that you guys stuck around. Thank you so much again, like I said, and stick around for more future episodes coming for different platforms. Alright, thank you so much. Have a great day, guys.